go. Alright, so right now you guys can see the basketball hoop that I am going to be shooting on. Nathan will be showing you some music please while I'm shooting. And so yeah, let's do this. So.
Okay, I need to find something good.
You guys don't know where I am right now. I'm pretty far back. I'm going to shoot it from on the line. I shot it and I missed. Is this 10 feet tall? It's the highest a basketball hoop can go, 10 feet.
Do you think people can see this?
Well, I might hold it. Here, Nathan. Nathan, record me and then I'll take a shot. Alright, so Nathan, you're going to record me. And I'll take a shot. You might not know more from where I am. I might say that I'm all the way back and they might think, oh, I'm all close.
Okay.
Yeah. Right now I'm dribbling 2 basketballs.
Oh!
I didn't make it. Oh, shoot, let's get that.
Go get it.
We're wearing nothing right now. Nathan is not wearing socks. We're
barefooted.
Yeah, and I'm not.
You can see. Wait.
There we go. Into the basketball hoop. That sucks.
Wait, you said you were the trash can master, right?
Yeah, but.
And you can make. You want me to position these trash cans?
No, don't do it, because I'm not allowed to do it anymore. Daddy told me not to, so.
Alright.
Oh, splash!
Okay. I'm aiming it at the hoop right now. Go ahead, try and make a shot.
Show them where I am.
It's right there.
I'm right here on the black line. I'm not shooting to show them the hoop.
Alright. Oh, so close.
Not really, but let's try that again.
Yeah,
So I'm back on the black line. One-handed.
I hit the pole.
Right now, I'm going to go up where the camera used to be. Jason, show them where I'm going. Right now it's raining, and we just heard thunder, so. Nathan, look at me. This is where I'm going to be shooting from, guys, right here. Let's see if I make it. Show them the basketball hoop.
Oh!
Nathan, you might want to go grab that for me. I'm going to keep trying.
Alright.
So, basketball is not my main sport, if you guys don't know this already. Soccer is my main sport. Basketball is my second sport, and hockey is third. I don't play hockey. I play basketball in winter, so let's see if I can make it. Oh shoot, I just stepped. Oh! Here, I'll go down and get it. Actually, Nathan.
Okay. What?
Come here.
Hold on. We'll be right back. We're gonna try and set this up somewhere else so I can.
Alright, there we go. Set up.
Okay, we are back. And
Get the camera in position.
we're gonna do a test shot right now.
Oh, look at that!
Okay.
I'm LeBron James! Now, I'm close to that. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom!
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh, that's good. Hoop!
Okay. So I need to make a good shot. Okay. Did you get it in?
Yes.
You should have filmed that.
Ready?
I'll tell you when you can start to shoot it.
Come on.
Go where the camera can see you.
Alright, so
That's good.
you guys can see me right now. Go. Come on.
Go. Dang it, that didn't work. Okay. Let's try that again.
I'm gonna stand right by camera. What's up, guys? Ready?
Hold on, wait. Ready?
Yeah,
Just get ready first.
I'm ready.
Go.
Restart.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, we're making like a Musical.ly right now, and it's
Yeah.
it's hard because I have to make a shot from right here.
You know, you can shoot it somewhere else. If you
Yeah,
want
but I
to.
like it. I like to stand by the camera. All right, ready?
Ready?
Set, go.
Oh!
Is it done?
No. Hold on.
All right, let's restart.
I want to make some shots.
All right, how about we do it together?
All right, let's.
Ready?
Good.
Ready?
Ready.
Go. Throw it back.
I'm filming the hoop right now, but now I'm gonna film you so they know what you're doing.
I'm gonna try a backward shot, and the hoop is right there.
Oh.
Go close. But guess what? Not as close as this. No way!
Oh.
Jojo dropped the base. Oh, that didn't work. I tried it.
Colton, could you give me a ball?
Sure, you want me to get you the last one?
Yeah, I want to make a shot from up here. And I want to make a clear view of it so people can see what I do. So yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoy these trick shots, I guess. Trick shot attempts, trick shot fails, all that stuff. So yeah. I'll grab this. Now, I'm gonna make... Is it getting in the trash can?
Yes, from up here.
Oh, cool. I'm gonna try and get into that bucket over there.
I didn't even make
Hey, Colton, I'm gonna get into that bucket over there. You ready?
it.
Oh, throw it back up here.
Let me get this. So, I'm gonna try 2 more kick shots.
Okay, kick shot time.
Right, here. Keep recording me. I'm gonna throw this up here.
All right.
Just don't get it. Just...
There's water inside there.
This is a lot bouncier. It has water on it, but who cares? Right, Nate?
Right.
Guys. Oh, come on! Did you get that?
No, I was just still filming you.
Hey,
Do it again.
it almost went in the net, guys. It hit the backboard, bounced off the rim, and went to the side.
Do it again.
Come on.
I'm just gonna name the video Trick Shot Fails.
Hey, who knows? I might make a trick shot.
Yeah, but we're mostly gonna have fails.
Exactly. Oh, wow.
Hit the backboard and just fly it out.
Let's do that. Hey, I hit the backboard, but see you later.
I hit nothing.
Oh.
What? Did you just throw it like an idiot? Okay. Ready? All right. It's time for a real trick shot. What?
I made the kick one, and you weren't here.
Okay. Let me try and make this. Oh! So close. It like flew a bit.
Woo.
I almost went into the trash can. Ooh. There you go. Alright. I will make this. I will make this. Trust me, I will. I just knocked it over.
I don't think we should do that anymore.
I'm just gonna try and get it in the trash can from here.
Yeah. No, don't do that either because it's wet.
Oh my gosh. Alright. This weird stick. Come on. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I got in the trash can at least.
Alright, time for more kick shots. Alright, Colton has the ball. Trying to kick it into the net. You know what? Nathan,
What?
who cares? That almost went in the trash can. More kick shots coming up right now, Nate.
Okay. Go ahead. Let me get this.
Ow! Why am I using something?
Hey, Colton, Colton.
What time is it?
I don't know.
I have soccer practice. Oh god. Oh god, I forgot. I completely forgot it was Wednesday.
6:03.
I'm in. See you, mate.
Okay. Okay, so he has soccer practice and I think he's really late. So I'm just gonna... Let's see if I can do it this time. Let's do it. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that happened. I'm trying to throw this into it. Let's see how this will go. I completely missed. Okay. I have an idea. Okay. Gonna have to do with 2 buckets this time. This is the second one that we're gonna use, so I'm just gonna drop it down there. Gosh, what is wrong with me? Alright, let me set up. Alright, I'm going to do it with the trash can and the 2 baskets into the trash can. Okay. Alright. So yeah, basically this is full of trick shot fails, which sucks a lot. Alright, let me just at least make 1 shot. Okay. Let's do this. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm gonna make this shot. Oh my.
Can you film it?
Yes, please. Alright.
Is it on?
Yes, it's on. It's been on.
Oh!
Close. Alright. Try a side shot. There we go.
Woo!
A side shot.
Oh! Dude! Shoot it right, and then maybe you'll make it. Oh, close. Shoot it too hard, man. There you go. Aim for the square. There, see? Good job. Alright, we done here?
Okay.